All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ICLD. What a rally here, guys. What a rally. We looked over here on the 6th. So again, this is really important for all you guys that are watching this video for the first time. You're not too sure about ICLD. You're not sure what to look for. I want to point out one thing. The last, we looked at this one 3 times. Look at this. There's many times we've went through this one. But I want to talk about the 6th because it was one of the last few times we looked at it. Right here, where this line is, okay, where you see this line, that candle is March 6th is when we went through this one. And I said, watch, a chart is setting up here, in my opinion, resistance at 0.230, support at 0.186, close to a technical analysis alert. Well, unfortunately, we didn't cover it the next day because we go through so many different stock tickers. It would have confirmed the technical analysis alert. And then 0.245, 2 gaps here in my opinion that might fill 0.239. Following day, you guys filled them. The last time that we took a look at this stock was going to be on Friday. I went through this myself. Joe wasn't here, and he is here now. Okay, so I went through the stock right here. Bam, right out of the gate. I say gap at 0.314, 0.228. Resistance at 0.450 and 0.5. 0.329 is a support with 0.3314 and 0.288. We'll keep going with buying pressure. Boom, you guys gap up and it just keeps going. When you have this much interest in the stock, again, right here, the interest dropped off and filled that gap. But when you have this much interest, it goes against the gap rules. I would still play it safe because of the gaps. Don't take that out of the equation here. Just again, play it safe with the gaps. There's a lot of volume in this stock, a lot of volume coming in. 106 million shares today, and on Friday, 159. And today's following up 106 million. By the time it closes, it could be about 130 million shares. It's still high volume for the stock, especially with the price that's getting up there, up 56.25%. Really, you guys could really keep going from here. You guys break 7, where you guys are at right now. I'm sorry, if you guys break 0.724, my personal opinion, 10 will come quick, very quick off of that. Okay, because there's not much trading. Going back into the before, there's not much trading between this area. 10 cents could come very quick. I'm going to hand this over to Joe because he didn't go through this one, like I said, the last time.
So with this one right here, I'm looking at it. Did they go down from NASDAQ? So this press release on March 1st, they were on NASDAQ, ICLD, NASDAQ. That's where they announced that the InterCloud reduces convertible debt with the sale of Highwire business division. Remember that one? So they sold that, and it was for what? Let's see. InterCloud received $4 million in cash and is expected to receive an additional working capital adjustment of approximately $0.9 million to be paid in 6 months. The proceeds from the sale were used to reduce secured outstanding debt. So they sold that portion of their business to, kind of do a little restructuring and pay off some of their convertibles. But then they had the latest press release was from Friday. It was InterCloud Systems awarded new contracts valued at approximately $2.4 million. InterCloud Systems, a leading provider of networking, orchestration, and automation solutions and services, today or on Friday announced that it was recently awarded approximately $2.4 million in new contracts for professional services for new and existing customers. A majority of the work is expected to begin immediately. So Mark Monroe, CEO of InterCloud Systems, stated, "We have announced previously that we have undertaken measures to reduce our operating expenditures, divest ourselves on non-core assets, and strengthen our balance sheet. Notwithstanding these belt-tightening measures, our subsidiaries continue to drive revenue and receive new contracts from some of the world's largest service providers and enterprise customers." Mr. Monroe continued, "We will be releasing our financials for the period ending December 31st, 2016 next week. We believe that our Cost-cutting measures and recent debt reductions will help the company present a stronger balance sheet and achieve a positive near-term impact. So about InterCloud Systems. InterCloud Systems Incorporated is a leading provider of network orchestration and automation for Internet of Things, software-defined networking, and network function virtualization environments to the telecommunication service provider and corporate enterprise markets through cloud solutions and professional services. InterCloud Solutions offers enterprise and service provider customers to the opportunity to adopt an operational expense model by outsourcing network deployment and management to InterCloud rather than the capital expense model that has dominated in recent decades in IT infrastructure management. Additional information regarding InterCloud may be found at InterCloud's website, and that is www.intercloudsys.com. So it's intercloudsys.com, their website. And as always, if you want to do more research on it, you go right over to their ICLD board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you can pull up the filings, the financials, the buy rating, the recent news, the time and sales, company profile. And as always, if you're interested in, sharing your opinion on the company, feel free to do so by posting over on that message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily. I mean, this one right here, David, I don't know, I'm looking at it. They obviously went from NASDAQ over down to their QB.
Yeah,
QB right
I
now.
see that here zooming out. They were traded up here
Yeah.
quite a bit, Joe. It was June of last year. They were, sorry about that, real quick here, $1.14. Do you have to be over $1 to be on NASDAQ?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll go ahead and finish this up here with the chart. Like Joe said, all this stuff that he just went over is all available over here on investorshangout.com, completely free. Time and sales, why pay others when we offer it completely free? The time, price, and volume is all over here, along with the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, just like Joe said, and that's what it looks like over here. As far as the chart goes, again, a lot of interest in this one. Right now at the 0.0694. Just want to make sure I added that price in there. There we go. 0.694. A lot of interest here, and this can't keep going as long as volume continues. Resistance at 0.724. Break 10 can come fast. Support at 0.5, 0.450, and 0.4. Gap at 0.525 and 0.445. Keep that in mind. The gap is there, but I also, it's hard to say. I mean, they might be on their road back up. We'll see. As long as this volume continues, yes, in my personal opinion, it will keep going. I mean, there's a lot of power behind it right now. So if you're watching this one, ICLD, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. Get out there and share this video. That's all we ever ask. We don't charge for any of the content that we put together or the videos, obviously. So get out there and share it. Share it on social networks, message boards, and other forums. Get out there and definitely, get the video out there. Help other people learn more about ICLD. And if you have another hot stock that you're following other than ICLD, let us know over at investorshangout.com/live. You go there, let us know about the hot stocks you're following. We'll take them and add them to the